The question that I'm going to be going over today is from exam 1 in 2014, so last year's exam, the business-related maths question 9. So question 9 is the last section, or the last question of the multiple choice, so it is intended to be a challenge. Let's have a look at it. Leslie borrowed $35,000 from a bank. Interest rate is charged at 4.75% on a reducing monthly balance, so monthly. The loan is to be repaid with 47 monthly payments of $802 and a final payment that is adjusted so that the loan will be fully repaid after 48 monthly payments. Correct to the nearest cent, the amount of the final payment will be one of the below. So we're going to use the finance solver to figure this one out. We'll start with n. So n is the number of payments. We're going to do 47 because at the moment there are 47 equal monthly payments that are being made. Interest rate, again, a per annum basis is 4.75. And present value of the loan, it's a loan so it's positive, $35,000. The monthly payment, we're told this, the monthly payment is $802. It's going to be negative because that money is coming out of our pockets. PPY and CPY, both going to be 12 because it is a monthly payment that we are making. So the future value, how much is left to be paid after those 47 equal monthly payments? $802.39. Well, that's option D. So if you chose option D, congratulations, 50% of the people who wrote the exam last year agree with you.
Unfortunately, those 55% of people were wrong, and 18% of people did pick the correct answer, and it was not D. So what D is the amount owing after 47 months. Okay? It is not the amount owing after 48 months. So what we need to figure out is, okay, if we currently owe $802.39, how much do we owe after the 1 month of interest has been applied? Okay, so what we need to do is calculate the interest that would have been earned on 1 month of that balance of $802.39. So $802.39 times, so that's our P, times the R, which is 4.75, times the T, time in years. We just want one more month, 1 over 12, and all of that over 100. Okay, so you end up paying $3.17 or 18 cents interest on top of the $802.39. So in total, you end up owing $805.57, which is option E, which is indeed the correct answer. Okay, so it did ask correct to the nearest cent, so there it is, option E, our correct answer. So this is similar to that challenge problem where you do have to go through and figure out, okay, what extra little bit of interest will be added. So again, in this scenario, instead of paying off $802 in that last payment and then paying off about $4 in the last month, they just say chuck it all on that last payment, pay that little bit extra, and be done with the loan. So see if that's a trap that you think you might have fallen into, and strategies that you can put in place so that it won't happen to you in the future.